We are looking at how to pronounce this Latin phrase, as well as how to say more interesting and related Latin expressions that are commonly used in law and in usual life. How do you say it? There are two different ways of saying it. Pro Tempore, which is more like the English way of saying it, Pro Tempore. But you can also say it more of a Latin way as Pro Tempore. Pro Tempore. Some might even say it as Pro Tempore, Pro Tempore, or Pro Tempore. Pretty straightforward once you know Pro Tempore, Pro Tempore, or Pro Tempore. It's up to you. Which one do you like best? Which one do you like to use? Let us know in the comments. Let us know if this video was useful as well. Let me know. And make sure to stay tuned if you want to learn more about Latin pronunciation. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.